Oh, look at this. We got all you guys to get. Don't get down there. This is video. I got video going here. This is no.
Look at Mikey. Mikey just had a lollipop.
Mikey's got blue.
Oh, Mikey.
Yeah. Mikey had a lollipop.
All right, don't get shy now. All right.
Look at Gus.
Hi, Mikey. Hi, Mikey.
Hi, Gus. Hi, Gus.
Okay, everybody say hi.
Hi,
Hey, what are we doing?
say hi.
Grandma?
Where's Grandma?
He said Grandma.
Mikey. Where's Grandma?
So how old are you going to be?
10.
Big
Oh,
Ken.
wow. I thought it was
see
her
it.
birthday.
You see what? There's Mom.
Chrissy has a summer birthday.
Look at that. We got
like
back
July
of Mikey's head.
Oh, said it was Christmas.
All right, get over there with Mom again.
I just want to say I don't want to do it.
Oh, Gus had it backwards.
Oh, Mikey's shy.
I know. Mikey doesn't like the cameras, huh, Mikey?
All right, give Mikey a kiss. There you
Go,
go.
Mikey.
That's for my love video.
Oh, you love video, Mikey.
You like this?
Yeah.
Well, look there. You see the same thing.
Yeah.
Where you going, Mikey?
Come this way. Hang it out.
Hey, Mike.
Where's the kitty cat? I want to see if Mikey falls for it.
He's a shy one. Mikey, do that again. Do that again. Snort for me.
Wait until the lady gets here. Then you'll get the big. She has the longest snort ever. Yeah.
That's actually some new creativity now, doing
All
that.
right, snort. Come on. Two little piggies. Two little piggies.
It's too close and Gus can't see it. It's close, actually.
Two little piggies.
Got it.
Again?
Have your yarn all done.
All right, bring it over here.
Nice. It's all done. Look at
Show it. All right, don't back up. Back up. Don't get that close. Back up a little. Back up. Back up. Back up. Okay, now I got you. Move over this way out of that window.
got the
Come on over here. Okay, there we go. Okay, stay right
So
there.
it's water and you have to get it.
Whoa.
Yeah, and it's in fluid, so you got to
That's good.
get it up, but it's really hard to
Don't
get
do that
up.
to Mikey. Mike's not a kitty cat.
There you go. Cut it down a little. You're blocking your face. No.
Your thing. You're done.
There you go. That's good. Say hi.
Christy looks good with
Bye.
Oh, another little brain.
the braids.
Remember
I miss
shy?
my grandma. I miss grandma.
Oh, there we got a good one.
Grandma.
Oh, we got the blue face there.
There we go, Gus.
I like your hair.
Yeah, we got the blue face there.
Details are cute.
Mikey's shy around me, aren't you?
Oh, just because.
Hey, how much money you got from me?
Hey, Gus wants to know if you can lend him some of that money.
Hey, let's have some bucks here.
Wow, she's got a
Rental fee for all the toys you play with. Oh, you doing scratching her back?
Ow! That hurted. That
Scratching her
hurt,
back?
not hurted.
scratch.
You hurted her?
A friend here.
I know, yeah.
Hey, stealing
girl.
my friends, huh?
I'm
They
stealing
know,
your
huh?
friend from you. That's true.